A particle moves along a circle of radius, moves along a circle of radius r equal to 20 divided by pi meter with a constant tangential acceleration, at equal to constant. If the velocity of the particle 80 meter per second at the end of second revolution, after motion has begun means u equal to 0. Initial velocity is 0. So v equal to 8. After two rotations, it becomes, it becomes 80 meter per second. The tangential acceleration we have to find. We know that here constant tangential acceleration it is given. That's why we can use the three formula. V equal to u plus at. This is for constant acceleration. V square equal to u square plus 2as. S equal to ut plus half at square. These formulas applicable only for constant acceleration. Here also acceleration is constant. That's why we can replace this by circular. Then we can use this to find that v square equal to u square plus 2as. The identical here is omega square equal to omega naught square. Initial velocity, angular velocity, final present angular velocity plus 2 alpha theta. Identical to this formula. Here, this is 0 because u is initial speed is 0. It starts from after motion has begun means initial velocity is 0. That's why this is equal to 0. Therefore, omega square. Omega we have to find. Omega, what is the relation between V and omega? V equal to R omega. V equal to R omega. This we have to remember. Relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. V equal to R omega. R omega equal to V divided by R, that is 80 meter per second divided by R equal to 20 divided by pi. That is equal to denominator of denominator becomes numerator. 80 divided by 20 is 4 pi. 4 pi. Therefore, omega equal to 4 pi we got. Angular velocity is 4 pi. Therefore, here if you substitute 4 pi square equal to, this is 0 because u is 0, initial velocity. 2 alpha theta. Theta is 2 rotations. 2 rotations means what? For one rotation, 2 pi. 2 rotation means theta equal to 4 pi. So at the end of second revolution, that's why we have to substitute 4 pi here. Therefore, alpha equal to 4 pi square divided by 8 pi. Therefore, 4 pi whole square. Therefore, 16 pi square divided by omega equal to 4 pi, no? 4 pi whole square. Therefore, 16 pi square divided by 8 pi. Therefore, 2 pi is the acceleration, angular acceleration. But here it is asked the tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration means the linear acceleration. What is the relation between them? At equal to tangential acceleration equal to R alpha. Similar to velocity. Linear velocity equal to R omega. Same way we can write tangential acceleration equal to R alpha. Therefore, At we want, that is equal to R. R equal to what? 20 divided by pi multiplied by 2 pi. Pi getting cancelled. That is equal to 40 meter per second square. Meter per second square, 40 meter per second square. Therefore, A is the answer.